Hi students, now I am going to teach 11th standard physics lesson 1 rules for rounding off. So already we know how round off a numbers. First point, the digit to be dropped is smaller than 5. Then the preceding digit should be left unchanged. The digit to be dropped means left is smaller than 5. Then the preceding digit should be left unchanged. Example, 17.32 is rounded off 7.3 because the last digit is smaller than 5, less than 5. So lift the digit without changing. You should write 7.3. 7.32 is round off to 7.3. Point 2, if the digit to be dropped is greater than 5, then the preceding digit should be increased by 1. First point, without changing the number, if left last digit it comes smaller than 5. Then second point, the last digit is greater than 5, lift the digit by adding the value 1, increasing by 1. Example, 17.26 is rounded off to 17.3. The last digit of 17.26 is greater than 5, so drop the digit, increase by 1 before the digit, so 17.3. Point 3, if the digit to be dropped is 5 followed by digit other than 0 except 0, it followed by 5, the preceding digit should be raised by 1. Example, 17.352, the 5 followed by 2 other than 0, the rounded up value is 7.34. Fourth point, the digit to be dropped is 5 or 5 followed by zeros, then the preceding digit is not changed if it is even. So example, 3.45. In this example, the last digit is 5, but before the 5 it's even, so that without changing the number, lift the last digit, you should write 3.4. Another example, 8.250, the last digit is greater than 5 and then 0, but before the 5 it's an even number, so without changing, left the 5 0, you should write round off value 8.2. Point 5, if the digit to be dropped is 5 or 5 followed by zeros, then the preceding digit is raised by 1 if it is odd. Example, 3.35, the last digit is followed 5, but before the digit is odd number, so round off 3.4. One more example, the last digit 5 followed by 0, the before the 5 it has odd number, so round up value 8.4. So this is the rules for rounding off. Round off the following numbers. So you give some examples. Round off the numbers. First example, 18.35. The round off is 18.4. The last number is followed 5. Before number is odd number, so drop the 5 should increase by 1, so 18.4. Example 2, 19.45. The last number is 5. The before the 5 it's even number. So without changing left the 5 should write 19.4 as it is. 101.55 in 10 power 6. So 10 power 6 is not round off value, it's a 10th power. So the last decimal point 5 so is greater than 5. We should raise 101.6 in 10 power 6. Fourth example, 28337. Round off value 2800. Fifth example, 12.653. The round off is 12.7.